गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। इन लास्ट क्लास ऑफ मैथ्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट estimation of numbers. Today we will start exercise 1.4 with the topics brackets and Roman numerals. So let's start exercise 1.4 with topic brackets. Brackets are symbol to create groups. We can multiply two numbers very conveniently by using brackets. मैथ्स में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा जब भी हम दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हम किसी एक नंबर को ब्रैकेट में दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके इजीली मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. लाइक दिस, when we multiply 15 by 95, then we can write 15 into this 95 can be written as 100 minus 5. Now we can multiply this 15 by 100, then minus 15 by 5. So we will get 15 into 100, that is 1500, minus 15 5s are 75. And when we subtract 75 from 1500, we get 1425. So we have multiplied 15 and 95 very easily using this bracket. Second topic of this exercise is Roman numerals. In Hindu-Arabic numeral system, 10 digits are used to write numerals which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. हम जो नंबर सिस्टम यूज करते हैं उसमें हम इन 10 डिजिट्स का यूज करके कोई भी नंबर फॉर्म करते हैं. बट इन रोमन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन 7 सिंबल्स आर यूज्ड टू राइट न्यूमरल्स. बट जो रोमन नंबर सिस्टम होता है उसमें हम इन नंबर्स का यूज ना करते हुए कुछ और सिंबल्स यूज करते हैं जो कि 7 सिंबल्स होते हैं, और वो 7 सिंबल्स इस टाइप से हैं. The symbol of Roman numeration and their equivalent Hindu-Arabic numerals are as follows. For 1, we write I. For 5, we write V. For 10, we write X. For 50, we write L. 100 can be represented by C. 500 can be represented by D. And 1000 can be represented by M. Now other numbers will form by these symbols only, but in different style. Like here are some equivalent numerals of Roman and Hindu-Arabic system. For 1, we write I, but for 2, we will represent this 2 by double I. 3 can be represented by triple I. For 4, we write I and V, IV. For 5, we write V. 6 can be represented by VI. 7 can be represented by V double I. 8 can be represented by V triple I. 9 can be represented by IX. And 10 can be represented by X. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं 1 के लिए हमने I लिया है, जहां 2 हुआ हमने डबल I, 3 के लिए ट्रिपल I लिया, बट 5 को हम V से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो नंबर बिफोर V, दैट इज 5, विल रिप्रेजेंट बाय IV. इन द सेम वे नंबर रिप्रेजेंट symbol for 10 is X, so number before 10 is 9, which will represent by IX. 5 can be represented by V, so 6 will represent by VI. V and 1 more, so VI. 5 and 2 more, that is 7, so V double I. 5 plus 3, that is 8, so we will represent by V triple I. Now some more numbers are represented here. 11 can be represented by XI. 12, 10 plus 2, so X double I. 13, 10 plus 3, so X triple I. Now 15 will represent by 10 plus plus 5, that is XV. So 14 will represent by XIV, 16 XVI, 17 XV double I, 18 XV triple I, 19 XIX, and 20 can be represented by double X. और सिंपल वे में आप यदि देखें तो जब हम 1 2 3 4 5 अप टू 10 लिखते हैं तो यहाँ हम I, double I, triple I, IV, V, VI, V double I, V triple I, IX और X लिखते हैं. बट हमें 11 to 20 लिखना है तो हमने सभी डिजिट्स के सभी सिंबल्स के आगे हमने X को ऐड कर दिया है. इस तरह से हम 11 to 20 रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Now 30 can be represented by triple X, 40 by XL, 50 can be represented by L, 60 LX, 70 L double X, because 50 plus 10, that is 60, so LX, 50 plus 20, so L double X, 50 plus 30, that is 80, so L triple X. Now 100 is represented by C, so number before 100, 90, which is 10 less than 100, so here 90 can be represented by XC. 200, 100 plus 100, so here we will write double C. 300, 3 times 100, so we will write C 3 times. 500 can be represented by D, and 1000 can be represented by M. Now let's move to the exercise. Question number 1 of exercise 1.4 is write the expressions for the given statements using brackets and solve. आपको कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स वर्ड फॉर्म में गिवन है, उसे आपको नंबर फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम्स. First problem is 28 multiplied by difference of 50 and 2. So we will write this problem as 28. So first we will write 28 multiplied by. So to write multiply we use this bracket. Difference of 50 and 2. So here we write 50 minus 2. Now we will solve this equation, which is equal to 28 into 50 minus 28 into 2. इस ब्रैकेट के बाहर 28 है जिसका हम इन दोनों नंबर्स में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we will get 28 into 50, which is equal to 1400, minus 28 into 2, which is equal to 56. Now subtract 56 from 1400 to get 1344. Now next problem is 36 is multiplied by the sum of 207. First we will write this 36 is multiplied by, so we will write bracket by the sum of 207. So sum of 207, which can be written as 36 into 200 plus 36 into 7. Now when we solve this, or when we multiply 36 by 200, we get 7200, and when we multiply 36 by 7, we get 252. Add both of the number to get 7452. Now second question of this exercise is solve the following by using brackets. Again you have given some numbers. First you have to write these numbers in bracket, and after that you have to solve the problems. So first is 109 into 25. Now this 109 can be written as 100 plus 9. So we will write this 100 by 100 plus 9 into 25. Now multiply this 25 and 100 plus 25 into 9. 25 into 100, that is 2500, plus 25 into 9 is 225. When we add these numbers, we will get 2725. Next sum is 53 into 110. Now this 53 will write as it is, and this 100 can be written as 100 plus 10. Now first we will multiply this 53 into 100 plus 53 into 10. 53 into 100 is equal to 5300 plus 53 into 10 is 530, which is equal to, when we find the sum of these numbers, we get 5830. Question number 3 of this exercise is, express the following Roman numerals as Hindu-Arabic numerals. You have given Roman numbers and you have to write the equivalent Hindu-Arabic numbers. Now first is L, V, triple I. First we will break these numbers, which will give L plus V triple I. Now L, that is 50, plus V triple I means 8. So this number is 50 plus 8, that is 58. So whenever the Roman number is given, we will break this number. After that, we will write its equivalent Hindu-Arabic numeral. In this sum also, you can see L, triple X, double I. Again, we will break this number as L plus X plus X plus X plus double I, which is equal to L, that is 50. Then for every X, we will write 10, and in the place of double I, we will write 2. And when we find the sum of these numbers, we get 82. Third is XL. X is before L, so we will subtract this X from L. L minus X, which is equal to 50 minus 10. Now 50 minus 10 is 40, so this number is 40. XC, again X is before C, so we will subtract this X from C. C minus X, which is equal to C, that is 100, and X is 10. So 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Now fourth question, that is last question of this exercise, is express the following numbers as Roman numerals. Now you have given Hindu-Arabic numerals and you have to write equivalent Roman numerals for these expressions. First is 32. Again we will break these numbers to write its equivalent Roman numerals. So 32 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. Now for each 10 we can write X. So 3 times 10 we will write 3 times X, and for this 2 we will write double I. 640. Now this 600 will break into 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100, that is 600 plus 40. Now for 500 we write D, for 100 we write C, and for 40 we write XL. L minus X, that is XL. Next number is 94. To write this 94, first we will write this 90 plus 4. But 90, that is 100 minus 10 plus 4. 100 minus 10. So C minus X plus this 4. For this 4 we will write IV. Now C minus X, that is XC. XC IV. 900. 900 is equal to 1000 minus 100. Now for 1000 we write M, and for 100 we write C. Now M minus C, that is CM. In the same way, you can solve the remaining question of this exercise. Now in next session we will solve next chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you.